Welcoming you all. Today let's see how to prepare a simple and easy breakfast recipe where no flour is required for preparing this breakfast recipe. Now let's get started and see how to prepare this recipe. I have taken about 250 grams of leftover rice. Now mash the rice well. As you can see, the rice has been mashed well. Along with it, add about 2 finely chopped green chilies, 3 tablespoons of finely shredded cabbage, finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 finely sliced big onion and about 1 tablespoon of carrot. If you like, you can add even more veggies. Along with it, add about 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. So add salt that's required for this dough. If you add salt while boiling the rice, then make sure that you add it accordingly. Half a teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 boiled potatoes, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix it well. Make sure that the dough is nice and stiff. If you feel the dough is little bit loose, then you can add either 1 teaspoon of gram flour or rice flour so that the dough turns nice and stiff. So our dough is now ready. Prepare it to your desired shape. I have prepared it in a oval shaped one. So while preparing the patty, wet your palm with water and prepare the patties. So you can either directly fry these patties, or if you need it to be even more crispier, we'll give an outer coating for this. So I have taken about 2 eggs. Instead of egg, you can even use cornflour slurry. To this egg mixture, add a pinch of turmeric powder, salt and little pepper powder. Beat it well. Now dip the patty in the egg mixture and coat it with breadcrumbs. Make sure that the breadcrumbs are evenly coated on all the sides. Now our patties are ready to be fried. You can either shallow fry or deep fry the patties. Fry them well until they turn golden brown on both the sides and also crispy. So now our simple and easy breakfast recipe is ready, which can be prepared in very few minutes. Try out this yummy recipe and let us know your feedback. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.